Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, we're going to unbox the brand new Vikylin, the PTZ-3601-IZ camera. So this is a 6 megapixel IP camera. It is a PTZ camera. So it actually has a lens of 2.8 millimeters to 8 millimeters, and it's a 3x zoom. It's also dual power, so meaning you could plug it in locally or just have a PoE switch power it up. Let's open it up. So here's the PTZ manual guide. Shows you how to set it up. Weather housing, mounting screws, wall template. Move that aside. Here's the camera itself. Wow. It says do not remove film during installation. So it's completely sealed. That's a really small PTZ. It's probably the smallest one I've seen yet. So it's got an automatic control button here that I could see. Housing 12-volt power if you don't have a PoE. Like I said, one of the nicest cameras. PoE IP cameras, love them. Just plug in a PoE switch and off you go, and that's it. It's like a, almost like a, it's probably a 4-inch camera. Grab my tape measure. So it's about 4 1/4. Okay, so let's hook it up. Let's see what kind of daytime shot we get on this and a nighttime shot. So there you guys have it. So that's the night shot and the daytime shot on this little PTZ. As you guys can see, it's a great image. Really small. You could really put this anywhere you like. Well built. And it does have the mic, which is great. A lot of these PTZs don't have audio. This one does. Very impressed by this little camera. I actually did not expect to get all that out of this little guy. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any comments, please put it below. If you're interested in this camera, I will have it in a link in the description where you could get it. Hit those thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.